Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a dynamic web project in Eclipse IDE. Alright, just follow the steps. So here I'm in Eclipse IDE now, and in order to create a dynamic web project in Eclipse IDE, just click on File, New, and choose Dynamic Web Project. Great. And here just give a project name, so you can give any project name. I'm just giving the project name as Post Web App. Alright, and keep use default location as it is and dynamic web module version as it is, so keep all default option as it is. Hit next and hit finish. Right, so this is how we can create a dynamic web project in Eclipse IDE. Now look at the default project structure. So look at here, the web content folder. Under web content folder there is a web INF folder. Under web INF folder it's a lib folder. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's create a package structure. So you can create a package structure like com.java.tutorial. Alright, and what we will do now, we'll create a simple JSP file, and we configure a Tomcat server in Eclipse IDE, and we'll deploy this web application in Apache Tomcat server. Alright, so before setting the Tomcat server in Eclipse IDE, let's create a hello world JSP program. So under web content we are going to create a JSP file now. So right click on web content folder, new, other, and search for JSP. Yeah, here we go. Choose JSP file and just type a JSP file name as hello world.jsp. Great. Now what we will do, we'll just print some content here. I'll say how to create dynamic web project in Eclipse with Tomcat. Okay, so whenever we deploy this web application in our Tomcat server, so this message will be printed on a browser page, web page. Right, now let's configure Apache Tomcat server in Eclipse IDE. Okay, just go to the Chrome browser, just type Apache Tomcat, and you can give a specific Tomcat version here. So I am going to use Apache Tomcat 8.0.36 download. So just click here, first option. So look at here, if you want to choose a specific Tomcat release, then you can search here. So I am choosing 8.0.36, and here we just need to choose a zip file. Okay, so click on this zip. So this will download Apache Tomcat as a zip file. So it will take a couple of seconds to download. Let's wait for a moment. Okay, so once download is complete, then just open in a folder, and you can just right click and you can extract it. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll switch to the Eclipse IDE and we'll configure this Tomcat path over there. So look at here, this is the server section in Eclipse, and here we haven't configured a Tomcat server yet. So just click on this link, and here we need to add a Tomcat link, a Tomcat path here. Just click on add, and here we need to browse the directory where we have kept that Apache Tomcat project. So we have kept in a downloads section, so go to the downloads folder, and here is Apache Tomcat, and just click OK. Now our Apache Tomcat is configured. Now here you can have options. So keep workbench default GRE. Otherwise you can also choose a GRE from your file system. You can configure external GRE path over here. Hit finish. Now click next and hit finish. Observe here we have configured a Tomcat 8 in Eclipse IDE now. So let's go ahead and let's run this web application. Right click, run as, run on server, hit next, hit finish. Yeah, here we go. The application is deploying in a Tomcat server. So look at the console here. There is no errors or no exceptions. It means that the application is deployed properly. Now let's give a GSP path here. That is hello world.jsp. Hit enter. Yeah, here we go. Alright, it means that our dynamic web project is deployed on a Tomcat server and it's up and running, and the hello world.jsp is it's shown on our page. Alright, so look at here, hello world.jsp file. So this is the title that we are seeing on our web page. Alright, so let's copy this URL and let's open in a Chrome browser. Yeah, here we go. So this is how we create a dynamic web project in Eclipse IDE, and also I have shown you how to create a simple CSV file, and we made it as a complete web project, and we have downloaded Apache Tomcat from the official website, and we have configured it in Eclipse IDE, and we have finally deployed our dynamic web project in Eclipse IDE, and I have shown you the demo. Alright, so I hope you find this video tutorial useful. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.